my review of the eufy RoboVac 11S. I got it on Boxing Day off Amazon.ca for $209.99. It comes with the base station, the unit itself, 2 additional spin brushes, and a filter replacement, as well as the remote and the charging station. On the remote, the auto button, the cleaning power, a spot cleaning, an area clean, and a whole room clean. This button returns it to home. The main one you'll use is auto. I'm gonna press that, and the eufy's gonna come out and start cleaning. Things that I wanted to point out after using it: you can't have cords on the floor. So under my media center, I used to have a bunch of cords, so I had to wrap them up and tighten them. As you can see, when it bumps into something, it finds its way and it doesn't leave any marks from what I've noticed so far. Just where you think it would get stuck, it hasn't gotten stuck on me as of yet. Certain areas you think it would get stuck, it actually finds its way out by going in reverse. I had to actually raise my couch a little bit. I got these rubber pads and I used the soft felt filters that stick on the bottom of it to raise it just a bit, maybe a 1/4 inch, to allow it to go underneath your couch. I'm going to use the home button to send it home. And it's going to look for its home. If you have any other questions, leave a comment in the comment section. And right there, it's back to charging. Thanks for watching.